everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mom's Reviews, okay, and today I'm going to be reviewing a charging cable for the iPhone, which is, it comes in a box like this and you get two of them. Let's see it. Okay, so she'll just open this up and become nicely packed like that, and we come with a warranty as well. Okay, so she'll just open the packaging, the packet, and this is one of them. They come with this handy wire tidier. I do like that. They have a nice coating on them as well, which feels quite nice. Okay, so that is the end there. As you can see, it's for the iPhone, and that is the USB end. Okay, so, and this is the other one, which I shall just open up, and you see this one has been a little awkward to get open. Oh, never mind, it's open now. Okay, so there we go again, the wire tidier, keeps them all tidy, USB end, and that is the iPhone end. Okay, so I have my iPhone here, which I'll just plug it in. Into there like that it goes. But easy, okay, that was something I need to cut that out. Right, okay, so there you go, you can see it's been charged, and that is it. That is the end of my review. Okay, so that is it. That is the end of my review. If you like my videos, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I shall see you all again soon. Thank you for watching.